Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Doing an update on XLK, the text spider or SPDR. Yeah. Hey, y'all see what happened? It came out the squeeze. It broke out to the upside. It stayed with the bias. It done went, it done shot up out awesomely a lot. At least $5 more than it was when we talked about it last time. So everything's looking pretty good on this thing. It broke the trend line as well. So we're gonna have maybe some upside mobility, or maybe it may range between this resistance level and decide to break out and take out this high. We're gonna take another. I'll take another look at it as far as analyzing this thing and seeing where it's gonna continue to go at after it gets to the once it unbroke this resistance level. So we're gonna see if it's gonna tinker back down into the support into the range, or it's gonna move to the upside. But matter of fact, just give me a second, guys. I'm back. Okay, so just take a look, into the extra look at it, and for the looks of it, it has a little bit more room to the upside, maybe. But right now, this thing is heavily overbought right now, and it may decide to come back down in the range. But there is a little bit more room for upside movement. I don't know how much longer, or maybe some volatility may kick in and push it higher. But we'll see how the tech sector continue to move for the remainder of the week. But they've been positive. Job numbers are about to come out, so that may push the earnings reports about to come out, and that may push the market higher. So we'll see how it affects the stock market at that point, and tech sector at that point as well. But that's the update to the tech stock sector. I was just checking out.